Hey everyone, as a Sportster S owner, I just wanted to make a quick video on some of the mods I made. I know I've been looking online to try to figure out what mods are out there, so I figured I'd show everyone what I've done to the bike, what my plans are for the bike, and hopefully this helps us all out, in getting the bike modded up the way we want it. My first change was to take the bug eyes off the front and put on the Codlin signals. They're right here. They mount right here. They do have running lights on them. They are pretty nice. I also put the Harley nut caps on the front and the chassis. There is a third that Harley makes, but I prefer to buy some kind of cap that covers the whole opening there. I did buy the Cobra H-pipe exhaust and love the way it sounds. I'm going to start the bike so you guys can hear it. These end caps did come in black, but the heat of the bike, the heat of the exhaust, especially on the lower one, caused this to get bright red. I had to switch them so that they would both be red. In other words, this one turned red first. I swapped it up here, and now this one's starting to turn red. So I kind of like the way that looks. They did send me a replacement. They weren't exactly the same. A little pissed off at them for that, but all in all, I do like the way they look, and I do like the way they sound. I did install the combo. Now, this is a Codlin signal light and a TBR license plate holder. So I removed the whole mount for the bug eyes that they had and the license plate. And there is someone online that kind of didn't show the wiring diagram for this. I figured it out myself. I have an electrical background. But it's LED, it's low voltage. Just be careful matching up your cablings on it. You'll see it when it's running, how I hook these up, and you can see them running. I did buy the Codlin belt guard. I do like the way it looks. And I did turn the rear view mirrors upside down. I prefer the way that looks. Some other mods that I might do, I'm considering a sprocket cover, but I'm not sure yet because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this matted black or give it an orange hint. I did have a white bike before that I crashed, and this is my second Sportster. I love the bike, but I'm not sure about the finish here on this one. I did have the Adversary collection on the other white bike, for the engine covers, for the tranny mount, and then also on the other side of the tranny mount. So that's basically my mods. I'm going to start the bike up for you. Well, let me just turn the power on so you can see some of the turn signalings. So if we look at turn, you can see they're running. The Codlins are running lights, white, and then they also turn signal. And then you could also see the back that the Codlins have the running lights, and they also signal with the license plate, which is really cool. It really looks great on the bike. So let me start her up for you. I hope the sound does justice on this video, but